Rahim. This is Salman Akbar, and here we have a new lecture, new video, and also a new chapter. Chapter number 3: Input/Output Devices. Video number 12. In this video, we will discuss about hardware input/output devices, and first of all, we'll discuss about hardware definition. Hardware is a comprehensive term for all the physical parts of computer, जो कि हमें इनपुट आउटपुट डिवाइसेस हार्डवेयर डिवाइसेस में आता है, इस वजह से इससे पहले रीड करना लाजमी है। सबसे पहले हम इनपुट डिवाइसेस को देखेंगे। चूँकि हम इनपुट डिवाइसेस पिछले चैप्टर में भी पढ़ चुके हैं, तो एक ही डेफिनेशन पढ़ के इसे नेक्स्ट स्लाइड पे जाएंगे। इनपुट डिवाइसेस कैप्चर्स इंफॉर्मेशन एंड ट्रांसलेट into a form that can be processed and used by other parts of your computer। ठीक है जनाब, ये हमारे पास इनपुट डिवाइसेस है। अब हमारे पास कुछ इनपुट डिवाइसेस की एग्जांपल हैं। सबसे पहले हम देखते हैं कीबोर्ड। कीबोर्ड इज़ अ मोस्ट कॉमनली यूज इनपुट डिवाइस विच हेल्प अस इन सिंप्लीफाइंग कीइंग इन द रिक्वायर्ड इन्फॉर्मेशन इन द कंप्यूटर। हमें जो भी डेटा इनपुट इंसर्शन के लिए यूज़ होती है वो हमारे पास कीबोर्ड के थ्रू होती है। The keyboard is divided into following division. Alphabetic keyboard. These keys are similar to a standard typewriter and is used to type general information. Then कीबोर्ड की मज़ीद टाइप्स में हमारे पास न्यूमेरिक कीपैड आता है। दिस कीपैड आर यूज टू इनपुट न्यूमेरिक डेटा। नाम से ही क्लियर हो रहा है कि हमारे पास नंबर न्यूमेरिक कीपैड जितने भी है वो हमारे पास नंबर्स को इंसर्ट करते हैं। दीज आर वेरी यूजफुल इन केस ऑफ लार्ज न्यूमेरिक डेटा इनपुट बिकॉज ऑल न्यूमेरिक के keys can access by one hand only. Then function keys. These are keys marked as F1 to F12 located normally at the top of the keyboard. Each of these function keys are given some special function in different packages. Screen navigation and editing keys. These keys are provided to move around in the screen. May programs use these keys to let the user move around the screen display. In some keyboard, these keys are also provided inside the numeric keypad as alternate keys. Here we have a picture of keyboard, and we also classified the all keys with respective names: escape key, function key, typewriter key, extra key, numeric keys, all keys, spacebar keys, control keys, windows keys, shift keys, cursor keys, and enter keys. Next we have mouse. The mouse is an input device that usually contains one or two buttons. The mouse is used to control the on-screen pointer by pointing and clicking, double clicking, or dragging objects on the screen. A mouse can be used for many applications ranging from game to drawing and designing products with computer graphics. Then we have a scanner. A scanner is an input device. It is also called optical reader or digital scanner. Scanner scans or read text and picture printed on a paper and enters them directly into the computer memory. The advantages of a scanner is that the user needs not type the input data. The scanner takes electronic image of text or pictures from the paper and store them into the computer. Optical character recognition software translates the scanned document into the text that can be edited. Then game controller. We have different types of game controller are used mainly to play games. Types of gaming devices are game pads, joysticks, and gaming wheels. Then microphones. Microphones allow the user to record sounds as input to their computer. Speech recognition is increasingly being included in application software. Therefore, the use of microphone is also increased. Microphone can be used individually and also used with the headphone. Then digital camera are used to download image to a computer, post picture to the web, produce videos. Resolution is measured in megapixels. Higher the resolution, better the image quality, but the more expensive the camera. Then webcam. Webcam is a video camera that can be used to take images for uploading to the web. A webcam is a video camera that feeds its images in real time to a computer. Stylus. A stylus is an input device consisting of a thin stick that uses pressure to enter information or to click and point. Styluses are used with PDS, tablet PCs, graphics tablets. आपने अक्सर देखा होगा आपके स्मार्टफोन के साथ एक पेन सा दिया होता है जो हमारे पास स्टाइलस कहलाता है. बारकोड रीडर an input device that converts a pattern of printed bars into a number that computer can read. They are often used by businesses to quickly input prices and product information. Now we have last slide. इन तमाम वीडियो को देखने के बाद इंशाल्लाह आप इन तमाम क्वेश्चंस आंसर्स इस क्वेश्चंस के आंसर देने के लायक होंगे और इन तमाम क्वेश्चंस के आंसर आप लोगों ने अपनी नोटबुक पे समराइज़ करके लिखना है, ठीक है। थैंक यू सो मच, आई होप you will enjoy. Stay home, stay safe. We will meet in the next lecture. Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.